Use this treatment to get rid of acne, pimples, dark spots, all forms of hyperpigmentations, and you don't need to wash it out. Yes. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can use Vaseline and turmeric to clear dark spots without washing it out. You have to leave it on your face, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into it.
So to prepare the treatment, you go ahead and get a clean plate. You will need Blue Seal Vaseline. If you don't want to use Vaseline, you can use shea butter or coconut oil or any oil that is suitable to your skin, okay? Go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, add it into the plate. Vaseline helps to moisturize your skin. Yes, if you get original Vaseline, it helps to keep the skin well moisturized. So the second one is aloe vera gel. Go ahead and add some amount of it. Yes, aloe vera gel is very soothing to the skin. So after adding some of it, the next one you will need is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is very essential to the skin. It helps to keep the skin radiant and supple. So go ahead and add some drops of it. You can also use the capsule, okay? So the next one is tea tree oil. Go ahead and add some drops of tea tree oil into it. Tea tree oil contains antifungal and the antibacterial properties. So they help to fight all the bacteria that causes pimples, acne, and all that, okay? So after that, you go ahead and add turmeric. Here, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Please don't add larger amount of it, okay? Just add a little so that after mixing it will not be much. Yes, because when it's much, it's going to stain if you sleep with it, all right? So I'll go ahead and add this quantity. This will be enough. One teaspoon is enough, okay? After that, you mix it very well. If you're having rough knee or rough elbow, this treatment will also help. It will help to keep your elbow and your knees well moisturized, okay? So you can as well go ahead and apply it on your elbow or on your knees if you have a dark knees. If your knees are very dry, you can as well go ahead and apply it on your knees and on your elbow, okay? So that is it. After mixing it, this is what I have. Now I'll go ahead and get a clean container. Transfer it into the clean container. Then leave it on your kitchen counter. You don't even need to put it in the fridge, but if you want, you can still put in the fridge, right? So that is it. This is how you make this treatment that will help you to clear dark spots, get rid of acne, keep your skin well moisturized. Now let's go ahead and apply it.
So here I have the treatment with me, and how do you use it? Before you apply it on your face, make sure your face is washed, okay? My face is already washed, so right now I'll go ahead and take some amount of it. Then apply it on my face. Apply it all over your face. So after applying it on your face, you go ahead and massage it. Rub it all over your face. So after applying it on your face, you go to bed with it. You don't need to wash it out, okay? Then in the morning, you can wash your face when you wake up. But if you feel like you don't want to go to bed with it, then apply it in time. When it's time for you to go to bed, then you can wash it out. Then you wash it out, apply your face moisturizer or aloe vera gel, okay? So that is it. This is how you can use this treatment to get rid of pimples, acne, hyperpigmentations, clear your face, get rid of any blemishes, okay? So that is it, guys. So please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. See you all in my next one. Bye bye.